Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Understanding the minimum income required to file taxes is crucial for every American taxpayer. Knowing this helps you avoid penalties and ensures you receive any refunds you might be owed. For the 2023 tax year, which you file in 2024, the filing thresholds vary based on your filing status and age. If you are single and under 65, you generally need to file if your gross income was $13,850 or more. If you are single and 65 or older, this threshold increases to $15,700. Married couples filing jointly have a different set of rules. If both spouses are under 65, their combined gross income must be $27,700 or more to require filing. If one spouse is 65 or older, the threshold is $29,200. If both spouses are 65 or older, the income limit is $30,700. For those filing as head of household, the minimum income for someone under 65 is $20,850. If the head of household is 65 or older, it's $22,700. If you are a qualifying widow, and under 65, the threshold is $27,700. If you are 65 or older, it's $29,200. Married individuals filing separately have a much lower threshold. You generally must file if your gross income was just $5. That's right, $5. This rule often applies even if your spouse itemizes deductions. These numbers are important starting points, but there are many other reasons you might need to file taxes, even if your income falls below these standard thresholds. For example, if you had net earnings from self-employment of $400 or more, you must file. This applies to freelancers, gig workers, and small business owners. Also, if you received certain types of distributions, like from a health savings account, HSA, you might need to file. Another common reason to file, even with low income, is to claim refundable tax credits. The Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, can provide a significant refund to low and moderate income workers. The Child Tax Credit, CTC, is another valuable credit that can put money back in your pocket. Education credits can also reduce your tax bill or provide a refund. If your employer withheld federal income tax from your paychecks, filing a return is the only way to get that money back as a refund if you don't owe any tax. So, even if your income is below the filing requirement, it's often a good idea to file to see if you qualify for these benefits. Always check the official IRS website for the most current and specific filing thresholds for the tax year you are concerned about. These numbers can change annually due to inflation adjustments. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to taxes. Don't assume you don't need to file. Consult the IRS guidelines or a tax professional if you are unsure. Thank you for watching and learning about tax filing requirements. If this information was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful financial tips and tax guidance. We appreciate your support.